Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
Reverse sneezing in pets, primarily dogs, is often a benign phenomenon caused by irritants like dust or excitement. However, if it's frequent or severe, it might indicate underlying health issues such as allergies, nasal mites, or a foreign body in the throat. Observing the frequency and severity of episodes is crucial. If concerned, consulting a veterinarian is essential for a proper diagnosis and to rule out more serious conditions.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.